Pretty quiet start to this Monday morning. Some very light drizzle, mist more like it. Moved through the area earlier this morning until between now and say 7 o'clock or so. I think we'll see the chance at least for a flurry or two overall. I think most of us are going to see dry conditions, mostly cloudy though through the noon hour. Temperatures climbing into the lower 40s by the time you head into that lunch hour. Satellite radar looking again fairly active early on, but all of this has pushed off towards the east. We're left behind with just a whole lot of cloud cover for the rest of your morning hours. Now we do have another round heading into the afternoon of some light precipitation, mainly in the form of just a chilly kind of raw rain. Let's show you that here using Future Track as we go through the morning into the early part of the afternoon. I've got you here shortly before 2 o'clock, and you notice the cloud cover has stuck around certainly, and that chance for a few spotty showers will be possible, especially closer to that 5 o'clock hour. As temperatures start to cool down, once we lose the heating of the day with that sunset, we could see a few of this shower activity kind of transition over to some very light snowflakes before all of that tapers off. As we go into Tuesday, dry conditions persist. In fact, I think we'll see some sunshine for much of Tuesday. Wednesday, though, this is when we'll start to see those clouds increase here, especially by the morning hours. The afternoon hours feature our best chance for rain. Likely to be a widespread steady rain here during the early part of the afternoon. Notice the chance for snow really has diminished quite a bit. However, we could see a few flurries on the backside of this precipitation as we go into Wednesday evening before all of that kind of winds out of our area. So for today, 42 degrees for that afternoon high. A few AM flurries, otherwise a small chance at some scattered rain, snow showers. Overall, not expecting this to be too problematic on the roadways. Keep in mind those winds, though, will be whipping, gusting at times upwards of 30 to 35 miles per hour. If you're heading out the door early this morning, we have cleared out just a bit. Galena to Savannah to Freeport, temperatures generally near 30 degrees. As we slide out towards the north and east, temperatures again in the mid-30s here in the Rockford area with mostly cloudy skies. 31. Good morning to you all in Rochelle. Any rain or snow that is still kind of flying here as we go beyond sunset will taper off by about 6, 7 o'clock. Clearing will be taking place beyond that. 40 degrees for tomorrow. Some sunshine early on, otherwise clouds will start to move back in as we go later into the day. And that 7-day forecast overall, not too shabby of a 7-day forecast aside from Wednesday. You take Wednesday out of the equation and you start to see that we've got fairly dry conditions here. Now let's take a look at that most accurate 10-day forecast. The one thing that you really do notice on this 10-day forecast, Evan and Maggie, those temperatures back into the upper teens by Thursday. And in fact, we could be looking at a few spots climbing or bottoming out, I guess I should say, close to 0 degrees Thursday night into Friday.